Hello, my name is Mike Gilbert with Analog Solutions Marketing, and today we're previewing our new PLC reference design. It's a smart I/O reference design in that we have an extension of our TI Designs portfolio where we're now designing full I/O cards for analog inputs, analog outputs, digital inputs, as well as digital outputs. We have a lot of functionality that we build into these cards because they're fully tested and they're as close to the end application as customers would design. So these are fully tested to IEC standards, and these contain all of the analog front end as well as isolation and interface. And then behind here you see we have an evaluation platform. In this platform we use Tiva-C, which we use our analysis software that we run to be able to analyze the performance of each of these I/O cards. So in this case we have a 12-bit SAR analog input card, and we have a 16-bit DAC analog output card. And on this we run evaluation software to be able to allow customers to fully analyze the performance of these cards, of these reference designs, before moving to their lab to do their analysis, and then eventually to port the schematics and all of the design information that's provided into their systems to be able to take this entire circuit and move it into their I/O designs. Over here, this is the graphical user interface that's provided with the software to do the full analysis of each of these I/O cards. In this particular case, the evaluation system was smart enough to know that when we plugged in the I/O card, the EEPROM on that told the evaluation card which device it is. Also, you're allowed to be able to point over some of the devices on here, make configuration changes to these devices, and set up and fully configure the I/Os before you run measurements. We also have a variety of measurements that are provided in the software. In this particular case, you see that we're doing signal-to-noise ratio testing, where we're using the DAC to generate a sine wave, but in a customer's lab, they'll use a signal generator to generate a sine wave, and then look at the signal-to-noise ratio performance that is coming directly off of the evaluation platform. You can configure filters, you can configure the test parameters. This gives you a virtual software lab to be able to do full analysis of all of these boards. So what we're previewing here is an extension, a higher level of our TI Designs reference designs, and that is the ability to take these designs and now do full testing and provide the evaluation platform that we use for the testing of these new reference designs. Thank you.